Hey guys, welcome back to Delta Stack, and today I will be showing you how to reset Waze password. So, in order for you to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Waze, you could just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top left corner of the screen. And now over here, guys, you should be able to see here settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings. So from here, you could just simply go ahead and go scroll down until you see over here account and log in. So go ahead and tap on account and log in. And from here, you should be able to see all of the details about yourself. So pretty much over here, you can just simply go ahead and go through the password over here. And right away, as you can see, you should be able to change your password over here. So you could just simply go ahead and provide your current password that you have right now. And now you could just simply provide your new password down below and retype the password down below. And now, if you want to log out other devices, you could just simply check this one, enter new password on other devices. This means, guys, that if you change your password, the account that has been logged in into other devices will be automatically logging out, and you have to log in using your new password. And as you can see, your password must be 8 to 64 characters, and it can include one lowercase, one uppercase letter, one special character, and one number. So pretty much, guys, over here you should be able to reset your password. But if you forgot your password, you could just simply select down below, forgot your password. And from here, you could just simply provide your email address over here in order for you to proceed with this process. And you could just simply select send email. And after that, guys, a code will be sent to you. So you could just simply go to the email that you inputted. Now, the email will look something like this, and you can just simply select reset a password over here. And now, once you selected the reset password, it will redirect you to another link, which from here, as you can see, you could just simply enter your new password right away without providing your old password. So just simply provide all of the necessary information needed to proceed.